In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting with Webflow, centering images is a fundamental skill that can really enhance the visual appeal of your designs. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step, making it as simple and clear as possible. To begin with, when we want to adjust and align elements such as images, we focus on the alignment properties of the container holding that element. In this instance, I have already placed an image inside a container. This approach will allow us to use the container effectively to align the image inside it. The container acts as a kind of boundary or frame that makes it easier to manage the positioning of your image. Now that we have our image in a container, let's move on to the actual alignment process. We start by selecting the container. Once that's done, you'll want to direct your attention to the Style panel located on the right side of your interface. Here, you'll find a section labeled Layout, which is going to be our main area of focus. In the Layout section, the first thing we need to do is adjust the display type. This is essentially how the elements within your container are arranged and shown. Select Flex from the display options. Flex is an incredibly powerful tool in Webflow, as it allows for great control over the alignment and distribution of elements within a container. After selecting Flex, notice that you have a choice when it comes to the direction of your flex type. You can usually choose between a row or column direction, depending on how you wish your elements to be arranged. For centering purposes, sticking with a row direction often works perfectly, but feel free to experiment if your design requires a different setup. Now, let's focus on centering the image itself using the alignment grid. In the Flex layout, there is an alignment grid that provides options for justifying and aligning items. This grid allows you to center the image both horizontally and vertically within the container, ensuring it sits perfectly in the middle. Simply click on the center options for both horizontal and vertical alignment and watch as your image snaps neatly to the center of the container. By following these steps, you've effectively used the Flex layout to align and center an image within its container. And that's all there is to it. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to create beautifully balanced web pages in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Webflow.